Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to pair your headphones Philips with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth. But I need to click on it. Now we need to turn on these headphones and enter to pairing mode. So at the right ear cup, near to USB-C port, we have power button. You need to press and hold this power button until the LED light on the right side start blinking blue and white. So press and hold. Firstly we turn on them, and now it should enter to pairing mode. Here we go, we have this LED light. So now we should see them at the device list, and right here we have these headphones. Tap at your headphones and then click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!